Hi everyone, today we are going to be challenging ourselves with counting money in honor of Money Smart Week, which will start on April 4th on Saturday. Money Smart Week is nationally celebrated as a week to learn about managing your money and finances. Today you will need a whole bunch of coins. You may have some in a bottle like I do right here, or you may have some in your piggy bank, or maybe in little spots around the house, or maybe in a parent or guardian's might have some for you that you may want to ask first to make sure that they will allow you to use it for this challenge. While I have this set amount, you do not have to have the same thing. You can have different varieties of pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. You just have to make sure that you can add up to the total amount that you challenge yourself for. I'm going to get started with some easy challenges and then gradually increase the challenge and make it more and more difficult. I hope you guys can have fun and try along with me. Before we get started, let's make sure we know how much each coin is worth. This here is a penny, and how much is a penny? 1 cent. Now some pennies may have different designs on the front. See, they're a little different, but they're still a penny, and on the other side is Abraham Lincoln. Here we have a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. But on the back of the dime, let's see here, who's back here? This is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Here we have a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. On the back of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. Here we have a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. And on the back of the quarter is George Washington. For my first challenge, I'm going to count 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cents is this? 5 cents. My next challenge is to count 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. How many cents is this? 30 cents. For my next challenge, I'm going to count 7 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 nickels. How many cents is that? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, right here. 35 cents. For my next challenge, I'm going to count 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3 quarters. How many cents is that? 75 cents. Now with any coins you have, can you make 50 cents? I can. There's a quarter here, and here's another quarter. With the coins you have, can you make 50 cents appear? I can. I have 2 quarters. There's 1 and 2. You know why it's 50 cents? Because here's 25 cents here, plus 25 cents equals 50 cents. But you know what? I can also make 25 cents with other coins. In fact, I can do so with maybe 2 dimes and a nickel. See here? There's 10 for a dime, and another 10 a dime, and then a 5 with a nickel. So 10 plus 5 equals 25. Can you make 10 cents? I can. Here's a dime. But what about with maybe nickels? Can I make 10 cents appear? I can. There's 5 and 10. How about with pennies? I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here, it's 10 cents. Can I make $1 appear? I can. There's 25 and 25, plus another 25 and 25, and here's $1. Can I make $1 with mixed coins? I can. Maybe I want to do 2 quarters, which equal 50 cents, and maybe 2 dimes, and 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. Let's see here. Let's see here. What do we have? So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Let's see, I need more. 90 and $1. Okay, so for the next challenge, I'm going to give you time to make $1.50. Now go ahead and pause this video if you like. I want to make sure to give you plenty of time. Here's one version of $1.50, but you may choose a variety of different ways to make $1.50 appear. See here, I have $1.50, very different way. Alright, so now I'm going to challenge you guys in a different way. I'm going to ask you to make 85 cents using 2 nickels. Now remember, you may not use the same coins as I do, but you will make sure to use 2 nickels for this challenge. So here are my 2 nickels. Now, what am I going to use to add up to 85 cents? Okay, so this is what I decided to do. I used 2 nickels and 3 quarters. 3 quarters is 75 cents plus 10 is 85 cents. Now I'm going to challenge you guys to make 85 cents using only 1 quarter. Now I'm going to challenge you guys to make 85 cents, but you can only use 1 quarter. No more quarters, but you can use other coins to make 85 cents. Okay, so I used 1 quarter plus 3 nickels plus 4 dimes plus 5 pennies equals 85 cents. Do you know that 100 cents equals $1? Here's $1 and 100 cents right here. For our next challenge, I'm going to ask you to make $1.22 using only 3 quarters. So make sure to only use 3 quarters. And now you can use the other coins using pennies, nickels, and dimes. Here I have $1.22. The same thing as if we were to say 122 cents. My next challenge for you is to make 99 cents. You can use any coins you want. Here we have 99 cents. I used 3 quarters, 2 nickels, 1 dime, and 4 pennies. If you would like to challenge yourself some more, I highly recommend writing down some numbers so that you can challenge yourself. By just writing down these numbers, I was able to come up with some challenging amounts of money, and also come up with some challenges that would prevent me from easily counting that amount. For example, for 74 cents, I will need to use 5 nickels. For 94 cents, I will need to use at least 3 dimes. For 86 cents, I will need to use 1 quarter. For 49 cents, I will need to use at least 3 nickels. For my $1.72, I will need to use 11 nickels in my challenge. You can make this activity as easily or as challenging as you'd like. Don't forget to take this opportunity to count how much money you have on the table. After you have mastered counting coins, I hope that you will be able to start counting dollars soon. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this challenge. Did you know that you could access ABC Mouse by going to sjpl.org/e-resources? You can view it and check it out for 4 weeks. Right over here, as you see, is ABC Mouse Home Checkout for 4-week checkout. By clicking that, you'll get more information about it, and also under the math category, you'll be able to do more money measurements. I hope you have enjoyed this program and continue to learn new money measurements and new challenges.